The material provided in this video is for general information only. It is not intended to provide legal advice or opinion of any kind. First Nation Matrimonial Real Property Law. Many First Nations are choosing to draft their own matrimonial real property laws. So, what is matrimonial real property? Real property is property that can't be moved, such as land or a family home. Matrimonial real property is real property that is shared by two people during a marriage or common law relationship. When a relationship ends, through separation or death, there are legal issues which impact how real property is divided and transferred. Provincial property laws do not apply on reserve land. So the Family Homes on Reserves and Matrimonial Interests or Rights Act was enacted in 2013 to fill this legislative gap. FAM-MIRA provides rights to spouses during a relationship and after it ends, with respect to use, possession and occupation of family homes on reserve, and division of value of any interest that they hold in structures and lands on reserve. Under FAM-MIRA, the court can also grant emergency protection orders and exclusive occupation orders. The Potlotek First Nation started to develop their own MRP law in 2017, these efforts were resumed in 2021. By developing its own MRP law, a First Nation is exercising jurisdiction over land and family real property matters. In 2022, Potlotek members drafted their own MRP law. This video will explain the new draft law and the next important steps. New Potlotek MRP law. Community members made decisions about the age of majority, whose needs take priority in a family home, how long a couple should be in a relationship to be considered common law, if common law couples should have the same legal rights to property as married couples, how to value real property, how long a survivor can remain in the family home after a death of a spouse, if the new law should respect domestic agreements made between partners, and dispute resolution processes. Children and priority needs. Potlotek band members decided that generally a child is defined as an Indian status child under the age of 19, with some important considerations. Common law relationship. Potlotek band members decided that a common law couple is established when a couple has been living together for 2 years continuously. Common law partners have property rights equal to that of married spouses. The new law should honor domestic agreements. Property. Potlotek band members decided that a family home is for the use, enjoyment and occupation of band members. Real property should be valued based on other homes on reserve. A survivor can remain in their family home after the death of their spouse or partner for 1 year immediately following the spouse's death, possibly longer. Dispute resolution is the preferred method to address conflict. The lawmaking process requires extensive community engagement. Potlotek is about halfway through this process. The law has been drafted and now needs to be ratified by the community. We are looking for your feedback and involvement to ensure Potlotek has a matrimonial real property law which is reflective of community values and wishes. So, what are the next steps? The next step to implement the law is to review and vote on it. You can help by completing our online survey by scanning the QR code, or you can visit our web survey link. Stay tuned for community information sessions regarding the new law, by joining our Facebook group. Find us by scanning the QR code, or visit Facebook and search Potlotek MRP.